Sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani, my brave friends, amahle. Today is a beautiful day. Bafethu igama lami nguKhaya ngwakaZulu. Please. Namanje ngisacela futhi siyacela kakhulu nisupport as a black upcoming artist. Ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sikhone ukuthola something that will help us to help other people. By sharing, liking, commenting, subscribe on my YouTube channel. I actually have two YouTube channels. There's a channel called Khaya Zulu Topic. There's my personal channel on Facebook, Khaya Zulu. People, you can just go there, subscribe. Siyacela kakhulu, subscribe, hit the bell, like, comment. By commenting, you're also helping us to grow. Siyabonga kakhulu. Brave Picture, Amuse. Just let me show you something. All of my links that we send you guys. There's this post that I dropped yesterday, I guess 22 hours ago. The post is Amuse, Khaya Zulu. Listen to Khaya Zulu on Amuse. If you click the post, the link, it will take you straight to this page, which is where the music sells. You can scroll down. You can buy it from. You can stream it. Stream it from Spotify. Stream it from Deezer. You can share it for us. You can get to listen other artists from Amuse. This is a beautiful platform that is doing great for us. Thank you so much, Amuse. Siyabonga kakhulu to you okule video as njengamanje. Please, your click counts. Small teaser of my new song coming. That is dropping in 26 July.
Let's get together. Gasoza piko munye. Emagumbini amani. Ongafanisi